Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel WordSprout. Today, we'll take a peek into the diary of a little girl named Anna. She's had an exciting day. What made her so happy? Let's find out together.
August 1st, 2024. Sunny and warm. Hi, diary. Today was such an exciting day. Guess what? We got a new puppy. I've always wanted a dog, and today, my wish finally came true. In the morning, Mom and Dad surprised me by saying, "Anna, we're going to the animal shelter today." I couldn't believe it. I was so excited, I could barely finish my breakfast. When we arrived at the shelter, there were so many cute dogs to choose from. It was really hard to pick just one. But then I saw him. A little brown puppy with big, round eyes. He wagged his tail when he saw me, and I knew he was the one. We decided to name him Max. He was a little shy at first, but once we got home, he started exploring the house. It was so cute to watch him sniff around. In the afternoon, I played with Max in the backyard. We ran around and played fetch with a small ball. He's so full of energy. It makes me laugh with his silly antics. Before bed, I gave Max a little bath. He was a bit nervous, but I gently washed him, and he started to relax. After drying him off, he snuggled up next to me on the couch. I think we're going to be best friends. I can't wait to see what adventures we'll have together. Good night, diary. Talk to you tomorrow.
How was your day? Did anything interesting happen? Share your diary entry in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you next time.